Hey guys, Mike from Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here today with our man Drew.
Hi guys. Happy Monday.
Today we are working on something that we love doing, which is timing belt jobs on, in this particular case, a 2007 Volkswagen diesel. Drew's going to tell us a little bit more about what's involved. You're going to actually see the open heart surgery in progress right now, and he'll tell you a little bit about the component kit available from our supplier, CarQuest Auto Parts.
So what we got here, as Mike said, timing belt job. Basically the whole front of the cover comes apart, one down here. And usually the timing belt runs around here. We're replacing the water pump and all that. It is kind of labor intensive. There is a special toolkit involved for this diesel in order to lock the camshaft and the crankshaft. Different tools like this, a whole special kit that we get so we can do numerous jobs. And this is the component kit from Couplet that we get through our friends at CarQuest. It comes with new idler pulley, timing belt obviously, new belt tensioner, water pump.
The upgraded water pump with
Yes.
the metal impeller instead of the plastic impeller, which anybody who knows anything, that's important.
Yes. And as well, it comes with new hardware and fasteners. As they do fatigue over time, this is a maintenance job. Get it done before it breaks, so it's important to change all the related components so that it'll go for another 160,000 K.
And simple question, if the belt breaks, what happens, Drew?
Catastrophic failure.
Kaput.
There's
The
a-
Germans call it kaput. That's very bad. It means broken. Kaput. So, there you have it. If your vehicle needs a timing belt job, by all means, give us a call. Please hit subscribe below to watch more of our videos, and like this video. Please feel free to share it with your friends and family. We do this kind of work. You are not obligated to go just to the dealer. There is another option. Urban Automotive, safety first.
Thanks, bud.